Shalom, family. So I was given the fruit of the Spirit, love, and some synonyms for love are compassionate, kindness, charity, friendliness, caring, etc. So I cleaned out the fridge and it was a mess. So I applied love by being charitable. Someone else was supposed to clean it, but they weren't able to because they were very busy. So I was like, why not? Why not just help out? It doesn't hurt to help out. So I applied love by being charitable. Organizing the fridge, it looks so much better. It's decluttered, and yeah, it only took like 30 minutes at most. So yeah. Do you love yourself? Make sure you're taking care of yourself by eating better and working out if you can. So I'm applying this fruit of the Spirit by of love by caring for my body. So I'm trying to stay healthy as possible by working out and eating better, so that I can be able to put my breaks in for the nation. Now it's practice time. Not everybody learns the same way or at the same time. So I'm applying the fruit of the Spirit of love by being patient towards them. So sweet, audience, sweet. Turn. Wrong way. Turn over. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, go. Sweep. Down. Sweep. Turn. 1, 2, 3. Hop. 1, 2, 3. Hop. Sweep. Love by being friendly and fellowshipping. So I highly recommend you hanging out with your sisters and checking and seeing how they're doing, because it will rejuvenate your spirit. So all praises. I hope you ladies enjoyed a few ways of implementing love in your life. Most High in Christ bless.